Duol marango kaka obila tiyo e pacho ka IPOA oyango elela midhiero magikalo e lwet jotend obila e kinde magitimo apedha wi moko kuom weche maluoro obila wetegi. Jakom mar duolno Isaac Hassan mane lose e boma ma Garissa oyango ni midhierogi osemiyo duolno kawo kinde malach e tieko timo apedha ne ng'ur mathoth ma jopiny osebedo ka chwalo. Jatelono nomedo wacho ni nok mar apisas matimo apedha ne duolno en achiel kuom gik mamiyo gikawo kinde malach e tieko timo apedha. Nyaka ne duol mar IPOA chuo gi higni 14 mokalo gisetieko timo apedha e wi ng'ur moheo 5,000 e wi ng'ur 32,000 mosechwal ne duolno.
Of course, the books to read and speak to them, but they have chosen to shape the vision in existence for the last over 10 years.
We have expressed some of the concerns that we have with the police in terms of cooperation. Some of our staff in different regions have expressed a worrying trend of police stations like OCS failing to give or refusing to give documentation which is in their control before asking for authority from the IG or the High Command, which is very much a delaying tactic.
The OCSs, the junior officers and the OCPDs, even my fellow county commanders should embrace the IPOA body. This will help them in supervision or supervising the officers themselves and on the checks and balance of the officers on service delivery to the members of the public.
The IPOA has been here for over 10 years now, but it appears like there are quite a number of people who do not know what it does, and we have agreed that from today onwards we'll do as much publicity as possible to create that necessary awareness to the members of public to be able to report on matters that concern the agency.